Ryan Thomas was 30 years old, and completely stuck in life. 2 years ago, he was a rising marketing executive in New York City. But after a company layoff during a recession, everything went downhill. Months turned into years of rejection, laziness, self-doubt, and endlessly scrolling on his phone. Every night, he told himself he'd try again tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. One night, lying in bed at 2 a.m. after finishing an entire pizza and binge-watching 5 hours of TV, Ryan whispered to himself, "If I can't fix my life in 3 weeks, maybe it isn't worth fixing." That night, he made a promise. Give it just 21 days. One last shot. Small daily steps. No magic, no excuses. Week 1, reset your morning. Ryan's first commitment was simple: wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Day 1, his alarm rang. He groaned, reached for the snooze, but stopped. He sat up, splashed cold water on his face, and stood in front of the mirror for the first time in months. He didn't recognize himself. Instead of grabbing his phone, he took a 5-minute walk outside. It was quiet, cool, and peaceful. He breathed deeply. No messages, no noise, just air and sky. He returned and scribbled in his journal, "Today, I showed up." By day 4, he added 10 minutes of stretching and a glass of lemon water. By day 7, he stopped checking his phone until 9 a.m. His mornings went from sluggish to strong. He was no longer waking up to stress, he was waking up with purpose. Week 2, fuel the mind and body. With his mornings under control, Ryan turned to his body and brain. He swapped soda for water. He made simple meals: eggs, veggies, smoothies. He walked for 20 minutes in the evening. Every night before bed, he read 10 pages of a book, no phone allowed. He reread Atomic Habits and highlighted one quote. "You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems." That quote hit him hard. Ryan didn't need to dream bigger. He needed better habits. His sleep improved. His cravings reduced. His focus returned. Week 3, create, don't consume. Now came the hardest part: taking action. Ryan updated his LinkedIn profile for the first time in a year. He began posting short lessons on productivity. He joined a free 7-day design course online. He reached out to 2 old colleagues just to say hello. On day 19, one of them replied, "Hey Ryan, I actually need help with a marketing campaign. You free for a chat?" Day 21 came. Ryan looked in the mirror again. This time, he recognized the man staring back. Not perfect. Not rich. Not famous. But alive. Present. Moving forward. From Ryan's final journal entry. "I didn't change my life in 3 weeks. I changed my direction. And that's all I needed."